Windows Orb. Right then, here in this tutorial, we'll take a look at this important button with which options and operations are performed in Windows 7. It's none other than the Windows Orb, or the Start button, that is placed at the very left of the taskbar. Let's kickstart this lesson and explore the features that are contained in the Start button. As I click over it, we should see the Start menu with its window pane split in two. To the left, we have these program icons that are most recently used, and to the right, the categorized window options. Over here in this tutorial, we'll look in the left pane and find the functionalities it possesses. Actually, these programs do vary depending on how often the programs are used. For example, here we have the Paint program, which I used a couple of times earlier. I can click over it and get a new Paint window. If I was to work with other programs, this Paint icon would disappear in time. Thus, Windows remembers the last used programs and pops them up to the user such that they might want to use them again. But what if you want this Paint program, or for that matter any program, permanently on your list? This version of Windows provides us with the options to do just that. Just right-click over whichever program icon you wish to pin up, and click once over this option, Pin to Start menu. And here we have the Paint program pinned in the Start menu. From here on, no matter what frequency a program is used, this pinned-up Paint program will stay back. You can also unpin it at any time just by right-clicking over the pinned program and clicking over the option Unpin from the Start menu that highlights for the pinned-up programs. And here we have our Paint program unpinned from the Start menu. Now, what about getting into other programs in Windows? Well, that we can get from the All Programs list. On clicking over it, here we have the list of programs that we've installed in our machine. You can choose the desired program from here. If I right-click over any of these programs, watch that you can also pin them to the Start menu. Now, what if you couldn't find a program or a function in this list? No worries. Microsoft Windows 7, with its powerful functionality, searches your program at lightning speed. For example, I'm onto a mathematical calculation, and I need a calculator to calculate my numbers. Well, I'm a little lazy to look for the calculator over this many options, but what if I could just type the word calculator in the search field? And here, as I'm typing it, by the time I finish typing, note, I've got my calculator function that Windows searched for me. If I click over that option, here I have the calculator for my calculations. Simple as that.